Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress a video size of 200 megabytes to something below 30 megabytes. So without further delay, let's get started. So I have this software here which is called Handbrake, and it's a compressor which you can use to compress a video to the lower size but with the same quality. Now it has different functions, but we are going to concentrate on the compression side. This is the software name. It's Handbrake. You can just go to Google and download it. It's very easy. It's an open source software, so just open that. Let's open it. So let's just open that and then see how the interface is like. Initially, when you open it, this is how the interface looks. So if you have a file, you can just click, drag and drop it here, or you can just click select the folder. You can just select a file, just upload that. But here in the case, we just have the file here. This is our file here. So if you right click on this file and go to its properties, you can see that the file, this is the size. The file size is 216 megabytes. So we are going to compress it to a lower size but with the same quality. So so this is the video. Now let's drop in the video, but before we drop it, let's play the video so that you see how much quality the video is having. So let's open that. This is the video, and this is how much quality it is having. So let's close this, so you can see that is just the video over there. So let's just close this. Now we drop it, we drag and drop it onto the Handbrake software. So this is the video. Just drag and drop it onto the video. So wait for it to upload. So it has uploaded the video. As we drag it in, you can see that this is an easy interface to navigate with on the software. This is the video format, and now to compress it, just go to here, go to the preset, and then click on the drop down. So there are different options to. We have the general tab, and then we have web, we have devices, and then we have Matroska, we have hardware, professional. But here for our case, we need it for the internet, so we are going to the web aspect. So here we have here the website, the web. Now on the web here, you can just select creator. You are a creator indeed, so you select creator here, creator 1080p by 60. So you select that here. So as we have selected that, now you can go to the video. So if you see here, if you checked here, this is the video quality that is going to be at. So we just leave it as it is, 20. And then now what you need to do, the next thing is just to start with the compression. So to start with the compression, you click on start encode, click on that. So you can just wait in a few minutes time, it is going to be done. So as you can see here, we have this is the encoding process. So this is the timeline at which it is going to be finishing. So we are going to speed up the video in order for us not to waste time. So as you can see now, our video has finished. So as you can see here, it says queued finish. Now let's open our folder and get to see where our video lies. So our video saves on videos. So just open a file explorer and go to our videos folder. So let's open this, go to our videos folder, or you can select a different destination where you want your video file to be saved. So here is our video. So as you can see, it is now down to 30 megabytes. So let's close this, bring this, minimize this, take this one off here. So this is it. So let's play it. Then you see, if you right click on it and go to its properties, you can see we have it now here. The size is 30 megabytes. So let's play it to be sure that is the same video. So just open that. So as you can see, it's the same video playing. So let's pause this and open this one too with a different player. Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split your displays into two separate windows. New to this, as you can see, there's the same video playing, so there is no difference among them, or they are all of the same quality. So guys, that is just how easy and simple it is to compress a video of 200 megabyte to 30 megabyte, all with the same quality. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. See you on our next video. Peace out.